Hi everyone. Today I am here to give you the next suggestion in our Swadhyay series. I would like to recommend today the fourth book by Swami Vivekanand. It's actually not a book; it's a series of lecture, but it's considered to be a book. And this is about Raj Yoga. So you could search online by doing RAJA space yoga YOGA. And I'm going to put a link also to the book. I found the links online. Wikisource has great material of Swami Vivekanand collected works, so I will try to put that in the description. So Raj Yoga is about the Ashtang Yoga, the what we call the real yoga and pranayam, the traditional form of yoga. Uh, the Ashtang Yoga contains your yam, niyam, yogasan, pranayam, and then there are four more stages, and finally the last stage is the samadhi stage. And Swami Vivekanand wrote this book. This book contains initially his views on uh, the Raj Yoga and how to do meditation, and then the second part of the book also contains the original sutras from Patanjali Yoga. So it also contains the Patanjali Yoga Sutras. I would definitely recommend this book to read, so that again you will get an idea of how of what a Hindu thinks like about the meditation and these Ashtanga Yoga. And you have to understand, it's not like I said, I have mentioned this earlier also, that yoga is a method, a process to find yourself with God, to join yourself with God. So till now I have mentioned four yogas, which is Bhakti Yoga, Gyan Yoga, Karma Yoga, and today Raj Yoga. There are a lot of other yogas also. Some even say Tantra Yoga, which is like wherein you connect yourself with God through your body itself. So you could even say there is called Mantra Yoga, which is the whole thing, how to connect with God through your mantra or mana. So yeah, so coming back to the Raj Yoga, I would definitely recommend this book. This book might be a bit long. It might take you some more time to read it, and if you are already aware of the Indian philosophy of yoga, like the chakras, or the different stages, the eight Ashtanga Yoga, then you might be able to get it. But still, even if you're a beginner, this is a good book to get an idea about it. Even I didn't know when first time I read this book. I was not aware of all the Ashtanga Yoga, or even this the seven eight chakras and everything. But this book was a good insight into the Hindu philosophy. So yeah, with this I will end my series on the Swami Vivekanand books. In my next episode, I will try to get. I'll suggest some other book, probably Bhagavad Gita, or let's say some other book which I read in the past. So stay tuned, and I will talk to you guys in the next episode. Thank you.